Drop it.
So mga brad, we have Ate here who's going to unbox her new pet. It's a toy pet which is called Tamagotchi. Pitsy. Makaluma yung Tamagotchi. No? So Bitsis. Okay, you open now, Ate. You showed that first. How did you buy?
Huh?
No, try me, sis. Whoa! It's digital. So amazing. Hindi ko talaga alam to mga brad eh. Nakikiuso lang. Okay. Unbox. Ito po ay Disney. So yung character niya, mga Disney characters. Ayan siguro sila Nemo, Stitch, kung sino-sino pa dyan. Sino to? Si Snowman. Olaf. And Ratatouille. Huh? See? Ratatouille. It's Ratatouille. Gusto na nila. Don't break it. Actually, yung Tamagotchi, naabutan ko pa pero hindi ko nilaro. Matagal nang gustong bilhin ni ate to. Tingnan natin paano ang paglalaro. Ate, 10 years pa yan.
There's so much tape.
Nainip na ang ating mga viewers. At sa wakas, mga brad, na-open na. Yung mga...
Because this one is inside.
Wait.
Huh? Sige lang.
Sign language.
You need to remove here.
Okay, we'll open it.
There's no opening there, man. Yun. So, who's gonna play with that one? It's Ates, right? How about your sensei? What are you going to play? Share. How can you share the character?
You need to remove this one.
Yeah.
Scissors.
No, inside, maybe it's just connected.
How do you know?
Mami, can you, ano?
Just cut this one.
What's that now? It's part of the process. I think remove this one, oh, this, remove.
You need to cut this one.
Palusot mo na lang. Sige, putasin mo.
You get scissors and you cut here.
Scissors na.
Yan mga brad, after 10 years, nalis na sa lungga. Ayun. Wow. Okay, no reading of instruction. Yan. You're happy ate?
Yes, she's been asking for that.
Remove that one.
Yun nga.
Nag-reading instructions kasi. Andito na po tayo. Babasa tayo ng Chinese. Here pala. So these are the characters. You can choose Donald, Daisy, Goofy. Who's that? Steven?
Sven.
Huh? Why those? I don't know. So others I don't know them. Ayan na po. Nangialam na po yung nanay.
Not here. Yes, I.
Just the papers.
Disney, ano ba? Pecha na. Yun. Yan na po. Nabuksan na. You check if it's battery or what. I think it's... So, if you're going to use battery, how about if it's already drained? What will happen? Your character will die. Huh? You need to remove that one.
Yeah, I need to remove.
You know. Oh. It's so amazing. I cannot see. Nakikita niyo ba yung mga brand? Oh, it's science. I cannot. Oh, it's I think it's already good.
What?
Don't touch that. Why are you
Wait,
touching the
there's
You're supposed to
projector?
touch it.
Why?
It's censored.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, we got it. Kadari.
Galing. Galing ng mga technology ngayon.
What is just, you need to remove that?
What all you to remove? You need to remove? You're not reading eh.
Stand closer.
Oh, goodness.
What are you doing?
This one you need to remove. Just leave it there. You may...
Oh, shit.
Are you not reading kasi?
Yeah. Open. Ba't may putol siya?
Oh.
Ang galing. Nakaka-amaze mga brad.
Yeah, you can read.
So yan po no. Battery siya. So na-amaze na naman tayo mga brad. Panibago na namang agham at siyensya ang ating natuklasan. Bili na rin kayo mga brad.